guys, my name is Bongi and this is how to start your own YouTube channel. Can I introduce myself? I'm Bongi and I am a content creator. Basically, I want to be a content creator, and this is how I started like my YouTube channel and my YouTube journey, and how I have like progressed a little bit. How to start a YouTube channel using your phone. Basically, you really don't have to have like 13k iPhone just to start your own channel. You really don't have to wait a longer period of time to start your own channel. Just start your own channel using the phone that you have. Use the data that you use to watch other people start your own channel today, and you will see a progress. But so guys, this is just how you can start your own YouTube channel. Use your phone, whether it's a Samsung phone, whatever phone that you use. You can basically gain followers from that, and then if you see growth in your channel, and then you can upgrade into something better and more interesting, the camera 4K something. So me, like what I'm using on this video, I'm using my iPhone 8, which is just like I bought it from iStore. I just wanted just to invest a little bit on my YouTube channel. So guys, most question that people can ask is like how to gain like viewers, how to get viewers. To get viewers, guys, you have to like use searchable keywords, like searchable title, like how to, and then basically guys, you have to like post a lot of videos and choose a specific niche. Choose a specific video that has like a lot of viewers, and you can like focus on that. How to get subscribers. Basically, how to get subscribers, you have to post your own videos. By posting your own videos, you are creating an engagement for people to know you. Stop posting other people's video, but let people know you, who you are. Introduce yourself and something like that. Don't only post on YouTube, just post on other social media so that people can recognize you. That's, I guess. Last thing that I have to say is anything is possible. Just if you have like time and energy to focus on something, you can really achieve your goal. It really doesn't matter if you are known or not known. Some people can get viral like just for one day, so it can be you. So just believe in yourself and never give up, whether